Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify attribution links using Adjust for mobile marketing step by step clearly. To verify attribution links using Adjust for mobile marketing, start by logging into your Adjust dashboard. Once logged in, navigate to the attribution section in the main menu. Select the campaign you want to verify from the list of active campaigns. In the campaign details, locate the Attribution Links tab. Click on this tab to view all the attribution links associated with your campaign. Review the list to identify the specific link you want to verify. Click on the link to view its detailed metrics and performance. Check the link's status to ensure it is active and properly configured. Next, open the Adjust Deep Link Generator if you are using deep links. Input the necessary parameters to recreate the attribution link. Generate the link and copy it to your clipboard. Now, use the generated link in a test environment. Open a mobile device or emulator and paste the link in the browser. Make sure you use the link within the context of the corresponding app. Observe the behavior of the link upon clicking. Return to your Adjust dashboard to check if the click is registered. Look for events triggered by the attribution link, such as installations or in-app actions. Verify that the data in Adjust matches your expectations based on the test. If discrepancies arise, review your link settings and parameters for any errors. Once everything checks out, document your findings for future reference. Your attribution links are now verified for effective mobile marketing campaigns. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.